How to manage your interest anytime to get suggestion tailored to you, or how to manage your interested on your Instagram account. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open your Instagram. Then when your Instagram is open and you go down and you open your profile as you see, and you go here on this three line, then click and then go to settings and click again, and then guys go to account and click, and then go to manage interest. You click, and then here you will manage your interest. For example, pop culture, I will choose this, celebrating familiar memes. I will choose here, for example, soccer, football. Here music, for example, I would like rock and hip hop. And when I finish, I just back. So now I manage my interest, and that's it guys. I hope this video is useful and helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. If you have any question, you can write it down in comments, and see you next.